Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to reset a Hyundai Sonata oil light. This process is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely. Then, locate the trip button, usually found on your steering wheel or dashboard. Turn your ignition to the on position, but do not start the engine. This will power up your dashboard display, allowing you to access the necessary menus for the reset procedure. We'll go through each step clearly. Now that your ignition is on, it's time to navigate the display. Use the trip button, pressing it repeatedly, to cycle through the various information screens. You are looking for the service interval or oil life display. This screen typically shows a countdown of miles or days until your next scheduled maintenance. Once you find this specific screen, stop pressing the button. This is the crucial step before initiating the reset process for your oil light. With the service interval screen active, the next step is to perform the actual reset. Press and hold the trip button for approximately 5 to 10 seconds. You will notice the display begin to flash, which signals that the reset procedure has started. Keep holding the button down until the service interval value changes, typically resetting to a higher number like 5,000 miles or 6 months. This confirms the reset is complete. After releasing the button, double-check that the oil light is off and the service interval has indeed reset to its maximum value. It is very important to remember that resetting the light should always follow an actual oil and filter change, not precede it. This ensures your engine receives proper lubrication. If you encounter any difficulties, always refer to your Hyundai Sonata's owner's manual for specific instructions tailored to your vehicle model. Happy driving!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.